with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm in an emergency stairway. And today's tip is to practice your stepping practice from the form where we have moves such as golden cock stands on one leg or golden pheasant stands on one leg, to practice as a stepping up the stairs practice. So this might be a little landing here. This might not be as easy to do depending on the riser height and the step depth. So you don't want to lose sight and have to reach and change your posture. You may have to step to a shorter step. I think I might be able to do this pretty comfortably with 2 steps, skipping 1 step in my particular case. But to make the practice of doing the move that you know so well, working on stairs, so it gets repeated over and over. This, of course, can be done backwards and sideways. Sideways is really hard. But most important, of course, that we stay safe and healthy. So, enjoy. Thank you. And always be improving your balance mentally, emotionally, and physically. Thank you for supporting me. This is my Linktree page, and this is Tàijíquán Tips, because tips really help me stay alive. Thank you very much. Do stay in touch and comment and share.